Welcome back. You know, earlier this week we told you that your Apple iPhone may be tracking and storing your every move. We're talking about your location, where you were, what time you were there. Well, now apparently Google's Android is doing the same thing, and they've been doing that for a year now. So why are these companies doing it, and can you do anything about it? Tech expert Anthony Mongeluzo joining us to break it all down. Good to see you, my friend.
Nice to see you, Thomas.
Why are they doing this? Why are they tracking us?
This is unbelievable. It's a power control. It's advertising. It's marketing. If they know where you're at, they could send you location-based ads. They could make more money. One of the things I want to say, and I am an iPhone user now myself, the tracking works with your GPS turned off. They prove that even if you have the features turned off, the phone still mapped your location.
And they're tracking us several times an hour. They know that you're here right now.
They're tracking me.
How are they doing this?
Basically, there's technology in the phone that it connects to a satellite. The satellite lets you know where you're at all times. A lot of times it's used for applications like Facebook and Foursquare where you say you're at the Flyers game or something like that. But when you turn it off, you're making the choice to turn it off. They are still doing it, and someone found it contained in a file. Not good.
Yeah, because it usually pops up and says, can I use your current location? A lot of times when we use the MapQuest or the map locations, can we do anything about it? You had mentioned turning off the phone, but
Apple has yet to comment, so the only way you can do it is literally turn off the phone right now, because with your GPS off, it still gets you.
For the past year, Anthony, law enforcement officials are using this. They're collecting your data to help in investigations.
Yes, indeed.
So for now, we're going to continue to see this, and there's nothing
Big Brother's watching.
you can do.
Let's put this away over here.
That is quite something. All right, I want to talk about the latest and greatest. I always love when you come on because you tell us what's next. There's a fingerprint device. You have a prop. What is this about?
Fingerprint device. This is pretty cool. Something I want to talk about because this technology is going to be used in a lot of different ways to secure networks. Instead of having a password, which can be easily cracked, if John or you want to get in, you put your thumb on it right there, and then it reads your print, and then it lets you onto the computer. Now this is 30 bucks. There's devices that will scan your eyes, your palms, multiple fingers, and
so everything we've seen in the sci-fi movies are now a reality. So this basically just takes a copy of your fingerprint. You can connect it to any device like a laptop computer.
In desktop, laptop, anything.
What does something like that cost?
Again, this guy right here is about 30 bucks. There's more sophisticated ones that can handle 2 fingers, 3 fingers, a palm, a combination. So I think, though, with this and the use of passwords, hopefully things will get more secure. But hackers are going to break this too.
I was about to say, is it safe? How safe is it?
Well, what'll happen is they'll put something in an ATM machine, and then someone will copy your thumbbprint and take it somewhere else. So there's always going to be a way. But you know, you have to get a little. Or
you can take Johnny Balearis' finger, just snap it right off.
John, let me take a picture real quick of that. There we go.
Scan his fingerprint. Anthony Mongeluzo, always good to see you. Have a great weekend. We'll see you next week.
Pleasure.
All right, you may have